Have you ever wondered how we prevent illness before it spreads? From medical clinics to your kitchen, the humble thermometer is actually one of the most essential tools for human survival. Let's explore why accurate temperature measurement changed everything. Thermometers have an essential position in our daily lives across technology, industry, meteorology, and medicine. They are not just simple gadgets, they are critical monitoring devices that allow us to track processes and understand the physical world with precision. In medicine, monitoring body temperature is critical for identifying fever, a common sign of infection or illness. These devices empower healthcare providers to detect abnormal temperature changes quickly, enabling timely treatment and intervention that saves lives every single day. Beyond health, we use digital readouts on infrared models in scientific research to gather precise data. These advanced tools help researchers navigate complexities and ensure that experiments are conducted under the exact thermal conditions required for accurate results. Even in our kitchens, a reliable thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. While some might argue they are just useful for expensive steaks and perfect meals, they are absolutely essential to ensure food safety and achieve your desired texture every time. Today, having a reliable thermometer at home is no longer optional, it's essential. Contactless infrared thermometers have become the preferred choice. Thermometers have become the preferred choice. Thermometers have become the preferred choice. Thermometers. Families seeking fast, hygienic, and accurate readings without touching potentially contaminated surfaces. From monitoring fitness to industrial processes, thermometers provide the data we need to make informed decisions. They turn invisible heat into visible numbers, bridging the gap between raw science and practical application in our modern world. Understanding these tools helps us stay safer and smarter in every aspect of life. What is your favorite type of thermometer to use? Let me know in the comments below.